Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Jibby's Garage. Today we're working on expanding the single wide to double wide garage door. So we're gonna take our garage opening from 8 feet wide to 16 feet wide. So we're gonna do a little bit of progress on today's episode with the garage door. All right, as you guys can see, we've already started. Got a good chunk done. My parents came up yesterday to help me get this frame going. So basically what we did is we started with obviously taking the old garage door out. So it's over here. And right here you can see this was the single wide one. And then behind it on the ground is the new double wide. So you can see how much width we're adding into the opening of my garage. So pretty cool stuff. So we started taking that apart, and then we put these 10-foot 2x4s up and nailed them into the roof just to kind of support the load of the roof as we open it up and take part of the structure down on this side, just to keep it reinforced, and also so that it doesn't sag down on our beam and we can put that in. So we got the beam. These are engineered wood. There's 2 of them. So this is kind of what they look like. A bunch of, I would say like 1/8 inch or something like that, pieces of wood glued together. So that's going to keep the overhead from sagging down. So this wood like keeps everything square. You need good wood for this, especially if you're supporting like a roof load. So got that put in, and then we had to do the side frames which hold the headers. So we have 2 2x4s here holding this side, and then you have a little cap piece here. And then once I'm done like getting everything squared and set into place perfectly here, like I gotta move that, you can see that gap there. I'm gonna bring that over and close that out, bring it left about 1/4 inch or so, or 1/2 inch, whatever it is here. And then I'll add an additional 2x4 on this right side here. So did the same thing over here. We had to measure it a little bit differently because there was concrete that we were building off of, like a little, I don't know, lip that they have when you like build houses and stuff, and they did it on one side and not the other. So this is really kind of weird how they did this when they initially built it. So yeah, we got this side done as well. And yeah, we're gonna close these gaps and nail these beams together so that they're sitting flush together. And then after this is all put on, I'm gonna have to rip off this old siding and stuff right here. It's all gross and nasty, and get some fresh OSB sheathing. But then we'll just put the I don't know, whatever you call it, the nicer looking wood for the trim and stuff, so that it just looks good. So we'll, yeah, it's the trim, whatever. So that's kind of where we're at with this thing so far, and we're going to start a little time lapse of some of the progress we've done so far. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's episode. Just got the garage framed up and everything. Probably on the next episode we'll look at putting the garage door on the frame and all that kind of stuff. So this was just the do-it-yourself on the framing part of the garage. So you kind of could see what the progress is with the garage. So I think we're making good progress and we're getting a lot of space opened up in here, and that's kind of what I really wanted. So once we're done with the next episode where I have the garage door put on, I'll probably do like a little before and after at some point in that video. It's just so you can kind of see and compare what I bought into and what I have transitioned into. So yeah, that's it for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, JibbyEvoKC. I love the love on there, so it'd be good to see you guys giving me love on there as well. Until then, we'll see you next time.